Here we are in the Meinel Optical Sciences expansion building at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This is a beautiful lobby, and you can see all the way up to the roof, way up there. This is a very nice building, and we're gonna go ride the elevator. Installed in 2005 when the building was built, which was the same year I was born. Here it is. This is a huge elevator. Last time I was here, it was broken. And here it is. Takes a little while to level. Let's get our cab view. Again, this is a very huge elevator. You can see a little bit up the shaft. GAL interlock. And we're gonna go up to 8. Here we are on 8. No plastic leveling, unfortunately. I believe it has intelligent leveling, though. Let's go down to 3. Capacity 5,000 pounds. Very nice elevator. Runs very well. ADA compliant phone and built-in ADA compliant phone. We are on 3, and we'll take it on one more ride, just for the fun. Let's listen to the bell. I believe there is a bell outside. It's in there. There's a chime in that indicator. Let's go up to 8. We are stopping. Going up?
Yes.
Which floor?
8. Oh, I remember you. Last time you were in the other elevator over there.
Yeah, I take videos of elevators. This one's working now, finally.
It is.
Do you know what was wrong with it a couple months ago?
They seems like originally they installed a wrong part and they just kept it alive until they finally figured out that was actually the issue.
Is it still having problems?
Huh?
Is it still having problems, this elevator?
No, it's fine.
Cool. At least it's running now.
Yeah.
This is a very nice elevator. Anyways, here it goes. It will close up. Uh-oh. The button is broken. Anyways, here it goes, and that's it.